burning pyres that are emanating from Tamil Nadu makes all of us, every Indian, hang his head in shame, sorrow, anger and grief. These burning bodies of 53 individuals, they are the bodies of 53 Indians. They are the bodies of 53 Tamilians. They are the bodies of 53 breadwinners of their families. They are the bodies of 53, majority of them are youth. And because that area in Tamil Nadu, if you are familiar with it, Karunapuram, it is a SC dominated area. A majority of these 53 people unfortunately belong to the SC community, to the backward community. And this image will be remembered for a very, very long time, because this image is not the image of a tragedy. It is the image of a man-made disaster, a state-sponsored murder for which the DMK government is solely responsible. But instead of taking action on this state-sponsored murder, what we find from the DMK is that it continues to shield the villains of this ghastly crime. In May 2023, friends, you would remember that 23 individuals had lost their lives by the consumption of spurious illicit liquor. That was in Villupuram and in Chengalpet. At that time too, the BJP Tamil Nadu, its leadership, had exposed the nexus between the DMK leaders and functionaries and this entire illicit liquor trade that is taking place in Tamil Nadu. But nothing was done. DMK today has come to mean two things: do nothing, muzzle everyone, kill people through illicit liquor. DMK means D for do nothing, M for muzzle everyone, K for kill everyone through illicit liquor. The other meaning of DMK has also become Daru, Mafia and Katta Panchayat. And therefore, when this nexus was exposed in May 2023, after 23 people lost their lives, instead of taking strong action, Chief Minister Stalin and the DMK government protected the entire nexus of illegal liquor mafia with the politicians of DMK. In this case too, you will find that what you have seen in Karunapuram village in Kallakurachi, the entire operation was taking place right in the middle of the town, right in the middle of that area, right next to the court and next to the police station. Could this have happened without the involvement and the nexus of the local police, political and other administration? One of the accused that has been arrested, if you see the media reports that are emanating from Tamil Nadu, you can find that there is a sticker of DMK party on the outside and the inside of his house. This is the media that has shown it. Which means clearly that one of the accused has deep links with the DMK party. There might be many more linkages that can only come out in a fair and impartial probe. But when the accused has a linkage with DMK, when the DMK administration and the police functioning under the DMK government has been complicit in this murder, in this state-sponsored murder, and when the DMK government has continually perpetrated this kind of illegal liquor trade, because in 2008 also you would have seen when DMK was in power, 180 deaths took place, it is clear that this is not a Sahyog, it is not even a Prayog, it has become the Udyog of DMK to allow the illicit liquor to move on and to carry on at the cost of people's lives.